Hi everyone. So today we're going to solve Leetcode daily challenge, problem number 491, non-decreasing subsequences. So the problem statement is given an integer array nums return all the different possible non-decreasing sequence of the given array with at least two elements. Okay. And we can return the answer in any order. Okay, cool. So they have given this beautiful example with all these values, and this is the answer which they are expecting. So first things first, there are no repetitions. It can be in any order, and every element of the result array has at least two elements in it. Okay, good. So my first intuition after seeing this problem was to use backtracking. Like this is the first thing which comes up to my mind, and I use the same technique as well. So I'll be showing you guys a solution using the backtracking, but there might be some other options as well. For example, I can think of one solution using brute force, but I don't think that's gonna be an efficient approach to do that. So let's move towards the solution and explain you what exactly we are doing in the solution. Okay. So first thing which I want to create is I want to define my resultant array which I want to send, and let's just return that as well. So we are free from this part. Cool. Next thing, what I want to do is I want to define my backtracking function for the solution. Okay. And in this function, I want to keep a few values. I'm expecting a few values which are current index. So basically, this will represent at what index in the nums array which we are at currently. The last value in the let's say in a local result which we are storing, and current result, which is basically a local storage for processing down a track. So these are the three values. Now, first case I want to see, or first, not the end case, but the termination condition is if current index is equals to length of num. So basically, we have traversed all the numbers into the in the nums array. Then, sorry, what I want to do is I want to add the current result into the main one. Okay, so this is it, and I just want to simply return this. Done. Next is a condition which basically represents a case where my last value was smaller than or equal to my current value at my current index. So if nums of nums of current index is greater than or equal to my last value, then I want to move towards this part. In this, what I'll be doing is I'll be adding the current value in my local result. Okay, so I want to append that into the local result. There's a typo. Yeah. Next thing, what I want to do is I want to increment the index and the last value, and I want to call this same function again. So backtrack current index plus one, and my last value will be the value at my current index, and current result will be the same. Okay, that's it. And at the end, I want to simply just pop out my the last element which we have basically added into the current results. So this part is done. No matter if this condition satisfies or not, I want to increment my index in the nums array, right? And I want to call this function on the basis of that as well. So this is what we're going to do. Backtrack, current index plus one, and rest everything will be the same. Okay, but there is there was a part in which the problem statement clearly stated that there must be at least two elements. So I think we should check for that as well. If length of current result is greater than one or greater than equal to two. Okay, I want to add that into my result, and we didn't want it to have duplicate elements, right? So what we can do is either we can let's just make this into a set. Like let's just return the set of the results. So let's check out the test cases. It could fail. Okay, so we never basically added the current result into this. Why is it so? Okay, I think I know it. Let's see. No, still not getting if length of current results is greater than one only. Then I'm doing this. Current indexes. Okay, fine. Seems. Oh, we never basically, initialized the recursion or the backtracking. So we will need to do that. So I'll start with the zero index and last value, let's take it as negative infinity. And let's pass an empty array into the current results. Okay, sorry. There was a typo. That's why unhashable type list. Okay, let's do this. Let's fix this. No worries. Let's define our result as a set, and instead of appending into it, let's add it. I'm just making the code more efficient, and I don't think it's gonna accept a list. So I'll make it a tuple. This should work now. Yeah. So the test cases got accepted. Let's submit for further evaluation. And yeah, the solution got accepted, and we performed very decent. Like we outperformed 62.5% of the overall submitted solutions, and I think most of the solutions, lied in the same spectra. So yeah, thanks again guys for watching out the video, and stay tuned to the upcoming ones.